Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Krypton Quero, and in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing, and it's David's tea. You know what guys, I've been into teas lately because ang daming mga benefits na makukuha mo sa pag-inom ng tea. Right now I'm drinking rooibos tea, ginger tea, what else? Green tea, of course. Marami pa. So, and by the way guys, before we begin, I hope that you guys would consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to click like, comment, and share this one to your friends and family if you find this video interesting. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I wanna know kung ano yung favorite nyong teas. Are you guys a fan of green tea, herbal tea, or ano? Or do you guys prefer coffee rather than tea? Because for me, I like coffee too, especially if I really need to like wake up. So ayun. But if not, I need to green teas. What's this? Oh, Bravissimo. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay, so the first one is their organic Serenity Now. Yeah, the reason why I purchased this one is because I was having trouble sleeping lately, but it was like last December last year. But now I'm getting like good sleep, so it doesn't really matter because I'm going to drink this one anyway. And what do we have here? It says here the ingredients are organic currants, organic rose hips. All of them are organic. Rose hips, apple, lavender, spearmint, hibiscus, blueberries, what else? Strawberries, natural flavor, strawberry rose water flavoring, organic quince, and organic rose petals. So there's that. Serenity Now, organic Serenity. And this one is a different one. It's organic Bravissimo. I don't know what this one is. Anyway, so the ingredients are organic licorice root, organic chamomile or chamomile, organic orange peel, organic rose hips, organic peppermint, and organic goji berries. So there's that. You guys see that? Yeah. And the first one. Ayan. And the third one is organic Japanese Sencha. It's basically a green tea from Japan. You guys know how much I love green tea. Green tea has polyphenols and it has great antioxidant content in it, which is beneficial for the body to make your immune system healthy. But I'm not a doctor, I'm just saying. Oh, wait. Yeah, oh. It says here organic steamed green tea from Mount Fuji, Japan. Whoa. And what's this? Wow, are all of them organic? Oh, not really. But yeah. So yeah, this one is organic Digestif. So the ingredients are organic apple mint, organic ginger, organic fennel. Is that right? Did I say that correctly? Organic peppermint, organic orange peel, natural mango, peppermint flavoring. Just like what the description entails. This one is probably for digestive system. If you're having trouble with, digesting your digesting the food that you ate. Oh, this one is the same thing. Organic Serenity Now. We have that already. Wait. Which one I haven't shown? So, oh yeah, I think all of them are organic. Yeah, so this one is organic sip of sage, refreshingly minty and soothing. So the ingredients are organic green tea, organic spearmint, organic green tea scented with jasmine flowers, organic sage leaves, organic rose petals, organic marigold flowers, natural spearmint flavor. So, yan. Siyempre may freebies sila. This one is their organic Saigon chai. Yan. So the ingredients are organic black tea from India. Nice. Ginger, cinnamon, cloves, pink peppercorns, cardamom with organic vanilla cream and natural ginger and cinnamon flavoring. Nice. Siyempre, bumili din ako nito, yung spoon. Especially when you kind of like take out the loose teas. And the last one is this one. Isn't it cool? I can't wait to try these. Or not try, but I mean use this. So, yeah. It's like, yeah, it's holographic. Can you see that? Yeah. Ayan. And may straw na rin siya, guys. Ito. Straw and yung brush na panglinis. So, ayun. So, yeah. I hate the word New Year's New Year's resolution, but I just really want to have like a fresh start this year. I want to live a healthy lifestyle, better healthy lifestyle compared last year. Kasi alam niyo naman kung anong nangyayari ngayon sa mundo, pandemic, ang daming nagkakasakit. So as much as possible, I want to be healthy, and also I want to influence my family to, you know, live a healthy lifestyle as well, kasi it's very important. So ayun, so again, so have you guys tried these? I want to know. Comment down below if you guys have, or what your favorites are from DAVIDSTEA or from any other brand. So, ayun. There you go, guys. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, my unboxing of DAVIDSTEA. So, ayun. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and not subscribe. Share this one to your friends and family. It would mean so much, and I hope that you guys don't skip ads when you guys watch this video, because it's going to help me and my channel in the long run. Kasi that's how we make money kasi. So, ayun. Again guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!